Hello, today I'm going to show you how to complete the DocuSign process for a business tax return. The first step in completing this process is opening your email and finding the DocuSign email that was sent to you. Once you do this, within the DocuSign email, the subject will have the name of your business, and if you scroll down, there will be a message. Within the message, you will be able to determine whether there is a balance due, there is no tax payable, or you're receiving a refund. After you review the message, you can click on this yellow Review Documents box. In doing this, you will open the DocuSign into a web browser. Now that you have it open in a web browser, you can complete the DocuSign process. If the name of the signer is incorrect, you can change the name of the signer by clicking on Other Actions and clicking on Assign to Someone Else. Then you'll input the new signer's name and their email and click this yellow Assign button. When you click the yellow Assign button, the DocuSign will be resent to the new email so the correct person can sign. To complete the DocuSign, we're going to click this yellow Continue button, this yellow Start button. This is going to take us to our first signature page, that is the engagement letter signature page. On the engagement letter signature page, it requires a signature, the date, your name, which will already be there, and the title. So to complete it, you're going to click on this yellow box that's going to sign, then you're going to have to click on the title box and put in your title. After you've done this, you can click this yellow fill in box, which is going to take you to the second signature page. The second signature page is going to be for the optional prepaid audit representation. On this page, it's going to require your signature, the date, your title, and a box that's going to accept or decline the audit protection. So first, you can click on the yellow box to sign, and you can fill in your title. After doing that, you can choose to accept or decline. And this letter here will explain what the audit representation is, and if you scroll down, you can see the cost of the audit representation. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and click Decline, and then we're going to click this yellow Next button. The next signature page is going to be the invoice. On the invoice, the first thing that you're going to have to fill out is another Accept or Decline box for the optional prepaid audit representation. So in this case, we're going to click Decline. When we click Decline, the amount due does not change. However, we manually charge your card, therefore we will only charge you for the preparation fee. After that, the next thing to put in is your card information. We need the expiration date, the CCV code, and the credit card number. To do this, you will click on each box, put in your information, and then after that, the last thing needed on the invoice is going to be a signature, which you can go ahead and click on the yellow box and sign. Then you will go back and click this yellow fill in button again, which is going to take you to any federal and state signature pages that you have. For each federal and state signature page, the process will be the same. There will be one signature and a date that is needed. So you will go ahead and click on the yellow signature box, and the date is already filled in for you. After you finish all of the federal and state signature pages, you just have to click this yellow finish box. Once you click this yellow finish box, you are complete with the DocuSign. DocuSign may ask you if you would like to log in. However, that is not necessary to complete the DocuSign process.